Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is BJ Raymer with Glowing Jacks Carvings, and today we're doing a project inside my dining room. It involves cabinets, it involves rough sawed lumber, it involves carvings, it involves a desk, and meshing it all together in a room that is not square because it's an older house and it's because my wife wanted it. So this is my project that I did for myself. It turned out awesome. I'm gonna go through this video a little bit. You'll see me throw some like little points in there now and then, just showing you kind of the things I've done. If you have questions or anything about what I did, just put them down in the comment section and I'll answer them as soon as I can and as best as I can. I'm gonna put links on the video that shows where I got my stuff from. If you're like, hey, I want that tool, you can go to Amazon, get it. I'll make sure I always put the cheapest one on there for you. It helps me out. Go ahead and give this video a like. Go ahead and subscribe to it. That way you can catch all my next up projects. I think I said it right. Catch all the projects that are coming up next. Anyways, hope you like it. Anyways, have a good day. This little fella looks awfully cranky.